This is a continuation for the April 15 Computer Application Business Madras University question paper for April 15. So first 10 mark, discuss the various operations working with the spreadsheet. These are all the exercises for operating a spreadsheet. So we can enter, delete and alter the constants using the worksheet. So first 10 mark, discuss the applications of FEDI. Fiber Distributed Data Interface is a set of ANSI and ISO standard for transmission of data in local area network over fiber optical cables. It is applicable in large lands that can extend up to 200 kilometers in diameter. Features: FDDI uses optical fiber as its physical medium. It operates in the physical and medium access control of the open system interconnection network model. It provides high data rate of 100 Mbps and can support thousands of users. It is used in lands up to 200 kilometers for long distance voice and multimedia communications. It uses a ring-based token passing mechanism, and it is derived from IEEE 802.4 token bus standard. It contains two token rings, a primary ring for data and token transmission, and a secondary ring that provides backup if the primary ring fails. FDDI technology can also be used as a backbone for a wide area network. So, what are the components of DBMS packages? Software, hardware, data, procedures, database access languages, query processor, runtime, database manager, data dictionary, report writer, etc. Next is the make a comparison between traditional audit and IS audit. There are many differences between traditional auditing and IS auditing. Traditional auditing is associated with conducting tests to issue an opinion on the fairness of the financial statements of the company being audited. Those tests include tests on internal control that the company uses to produce figures in the financial statements, test on the balances of the accounts, and test on the overall posting system of its accounts. Whereas risk-based auditing, that audit plan is based on the assessment of the risk. Risk-based auditing provides an in-depth understanding of the business unit operations through risk assessment, which provide assurance that important risks are being managed properly and more efficient use of resources has been applied by concentrating on risky areas. That is, because business risk can affect the possibility and even survival for a firm. By concluding our discussion, we can say that a poorly controlled environment has considerable risk that must be focus of attention of the management. In this situation, risk-based auditing identify the weakness and help the management to take proper measures in reinforcing the internal controls.